what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in a...
Hello comrades, I welcome you once again to Artist Cafe. You already know the name, King's Motion. Alright, so in today's lesson, I'm going to talk about how you can apply for monetization for your YouTube channel. I believe you already know that before you can apply for YouTube monetization, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Okay, please, if today is your first time coming, do me a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Just hit on the subscribe button and activate the bell icon. Thanks for doing that. Now you have to move to your YouTube studio. You click on apply now. So in the first window, which is the step 1, click on start. Then accept YouTube partner terms. You see, after accepting this, that means you are telling YouTube that all that is involved in YouTube works, you agree to that. Okay, it's an agreement between you yourself and YouTube. So if you're a beginner, you make sure you read through all the terms to get a deeper understanding. Alright, so now we are done with step 1. Let's move to step 2. We are signing up to Google Adsense. Click on start. Now select whether you have an Adsense account or not. If you don't have any, then you have to click on no, I don't have an existing account. Else, if you have one, click on yes. So in this case, let's click on no, I don't have an existing account. Then you click on continue. You have to wait for the page to load before you do any other thing. But for the sake of our network system here, I think you have to bear with me, and I express my apologies if the network works very slowly. In a time like this, it normally loads very slow, where I find myself now. So I believe you guys gonna forgive me. Yeah. Alright, so we're still waiting. We're waiting for it to open, for us to input our Gmail. But if you've already opened your Gmail account on it, automatically it will be redirected to Adsense fresh page. Okay, if you've already opened just one email account in the browser, it will automatically send you there. But in my case, I have different emails open, so I will have to go through my emails and select the very email which is associated with the YouTube account I'm working on. So that's the email. We click on it. Alright, so it has brought us to the Adsense interface. By default, where the written website will contain my YouTube channel name. Now we have to select the country wherever you find yourself. I'm in Ghana, so I will have to search for Ghana and select it. Okay, then I have to read through the YouTube partner program terms and accept it. So yes, you have to click on the box beside yes, I have read and accept the agreement. Unless I forgot, there is one thing we forgot to do. So let's scroll up. Yes, you either choose whether you want Google to be sending you suggestions or not. Now we can click on create account. So in this case, we've created a fresh Adsense account for our YouTube channel, and by YouTube policies, each person is supposed to have just one Adsense account. And this AdSense, even if you have 1,000 YouTube channels, they all have to, be on this very AdSense. So you have to fill the necessary information here. That's my information right there. These are the basic information which Google will need. Once everything is set, then I will have to click on submit. Okay, so now by default the redirect, is a default session, so YouTube will take me back to my channel. Let's see what happens. Okay, now you can see in progress. So it's going to take few days, okay, for YouTube to go through all your application, right? Yes, and it depends on the country you find yourself. Others it will take just a day, others 2 days, others too may have it in 3 or 4 days time. And the information, or the reply will be in your various emails. Yeah. All right, so we are almost done here, so we can close this page and move back to the main page which we were working on. You can refresh to see whether everything is in order. Alright, so as you can see, it is in review and we have to wait patiently for YouTube to give us the reply. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for having you here. I believe you enjoyed the video. If so, kindly hit on the like button, and as I said earlier on, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because at Artist Cafe it's all about musicians. It's all about how to make money online. We are all about how to create a profitable business online. Thank you so much for having you. Just tell a friend to tell another friend, and let's make friends. God bless you.